Okay, you guys. Yeah, the reflection's pretty bad. Let's roll the. Let's just lift this up real quick. There, no more. Okay, this helmet is my Scorpion model. I can't remember the name of it. EX940 or something like that. And I've never seen anybody else do a video like this. What I'm going to show you guys is what I actually use to mount and record my YouTube videos. And obviously it's chin mount, as you guys can see there. And what I've actually done is on the Scorpion model right here, it's kind of an angled thing, and it closes, opens and closes these vents. That's one of the reasons I actually have a windshield on my bike. If you guys watch my videos, is because in the wintertime especially, these vents are completely open, and cold air just it turns my lips purple. So, and the other thing too is I don't actually have the normal GoPro 3M stick pad. I actually use Black Seal. It's a Black Seal. It's a gasket maker, and I'm not even sure. I actually tried to move this because it's not on straight, and I tried to take it off, and I think I'll end up breaking the helmet if I go to take this off. My point is that this thing, now that it's set, it's not coming off. To the point where this is the mount that I'm actually using. It's straight from GoPro. It is actually a GoPro mount. It's got this little angle so I can turn it left to right. And the really nice thing I like about it is that it's got this ball. And the ball allows me to tilt it up and down. So that's why I'm able to get that angle where it's more or less point of view. It's just I got to remember to put it on wide view when I'm using this. And then, of course, it just mounts normally, you know, for up and down there. And you'll notice that kind of level like that, the camera's sitting down, like pointing forward, right? When you look at this is straight up and down and the camera's not. But if I take this and I angle it, see, now that's straight, and so is the camera. And that's what I use. And this thing here is, it's a really tight ball. You can't really get behind it to tighten it. If this thing comes loose, it's loose. But I've been using it now for about a year, and I actually really like it. Now, you could do the same thing here on side mounts. Like, I personally recommend on the chin. It's the closest you can get. Some guys put them up here where the camera's like right here on them, or here. If you could put it here or here, but it's kind of blocking your view at the same time, and that's probably the closest you can get. But right here, because this is where my camera normally sits, that's probably just about perfect. Side mount ones are okay. I don't mind that view, except that it's hard to get point of view. And of course, the top one, it's really hard to get point of view. And of course, you've got that big camera sitting up top up here. And I mean, if you go through bush and stuff like that I do here in Ontario, you're gonna be knocking that thing, and good chance you're gonna scratch or break your lens. And this is just a GoPro Hero. I don't have the funds to go out and get a 7 or anything better right now. And that's one of the things that I really hate about this is the pixelation on it. It doesn't capture full video with lots of motion in it. It makes my videos look blurry, which I don't like. But eventually one day I'll upgrade from the Hero and get a Hero 6 or something like that that's a little better. Anyway, I don't want to make this video long. Like I said, it's the first one ever. You can find, like, if you do chin mount, just look for a chin mount. And you can definitely use it on that. This one here can also be used on the side because, of course, not just up and down. This can be turned side to side. Okay, with that being said, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.